Prepare for it. You can find it in the last sentence. Okay, actually they value the project highly because they think it's on behalf of Arabian world and they are willing to pay for it because 1001 Nights has a great status in the Arabian world. Okay. Next paragraph. Look at some phrases. Comprise of. Okay. Yes. Can someone make a sentence from this phrase? Next word, serendipity, means a lacking thing. 意外收获. Okay, next, parahera. It's a parade like this with some colorful elephant. Okay, next, Buddha. 佛陀. Okay, let's listen carefully once again.
The voyage begins. With a team comprised of 17 Omanis and 10 Westerners, our ship Sohar departs Muscat on November 23rd and heads east into the Arabian Sea toward India. By December, we reach India's coast, and after a short stay, we sail to Sri Lanka, or Serendip, as early Arabs call it.
Okay, does anyone know his route? Or you want to listen one more time? He traveled from where to where?
The voyage begins. With a team comprised of 17 Omanis and 10 Westerners, our ship Sohar departs Muscat on November 23rd and heads east into the Arabian Sea toward India. By December, we reach India's coast, and after a short stay, we sail to Sri Lanka, or Serendip, as early Arabs call it.
Okay, does anyone know?
From India to Sri Lanka.
You skip one. You skip one. Okay, you can get from where complete answer. No complete.
From Muscat to India. Muscat
Yeah.
to India.
He traveled from Muscat to India and then to Sri Lanka. Okay, let's listen carefully. We have a translation.
Later, during his sixth voyage, Sinbad claimed Serendip's king held magnificent parades during which huge, decorated elephants elephants marched in the streets.
Does anyone know? Okay, one more time.
Later, during his sixth voyage, Sinbad claimed Saradin's king held magnificent parades during which huge, decorated elephants marched in the streets.
之后，在他的第6次航行，辛巴就是说，这个地方的国王举办了一个盛大的游行，然后是用那个巨大的，然后有装饰的大象在街上。
Okay, totally right. Now let's listen again.
In fact, what visitors to Sri Lanka may have seen during Sinbad's time, and can still see today, was Parahera, a parade held every year in which people and elephants dressed colorfully marched through the streets to honor the Buddha.
Okay, does anyone know?
A parade held every year in which people and elephants dressed carefully marched through the streets to honor the Buddha.
You can just shorten your sentence.
A parade to honor the Buddha.
Yeah. Okay. Now I want to. Now the next paragraph will be told by Liu Jingru.
Okay, now I'm going to introduce the second part of the text. The first new word is adrift. Does anyone know the meaning? It's at line 41. It means floating without being controlled by anyone. 就是漂浮的或漂流的。Okay, then the next vocabulary, replenish. Yes. It means to make something flow again. Oh, now I'm going to pick someone to give me the summary of paragraph 1.
Adrift at sea. In early